Hi, my name is Matt Steffel, clinical professor and co-director of the M School, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the marketing major in the College of Business at Loyola Marymount University. Start with a few stats, facts, and figures. First thing, the marketing major is the largest major in the College of Business. We have 16 full-time faculty, many are known worldwide, plus a deep bench of industry executives that bring real-world experience to the classroom. We're ranked 13th undergraduate marketing program in the nation by US News and World Report. Something to know about marketing is a really big discipline. There's a lot of breadth, and there's also a lot of depth. In order to deliver that breadth and depth, we offer 4 distinct pathways in the College of Business marketing major. The first pathway is called the A-list, and that stands for Applied Learning and Societal Transformation. And the A-list is about understanding the relationship between marketing, diversity, and culture, and how marketing can promote societal change. The second pathway is our Marketing Analytics pathway, also known as MA. And it's just like what it sounds like. It's about data-driven decision-making. Third pathway we call COIN, and that stands for Congruity of Interests. And it's about realizing sustainable value among stakeholders in the supply chain, from the raw materials supplier to the end user. How do we make it so that everybody wins? And finally, the M School pathway. The M School pathway is about creating purposeful brands and disruptive communications. Within the M School pathway, we have 2 different tracks. We have the strategy and management track and the content creation track. The content creation track is built specially for our social media makers, the photographers, the designers, the writers, the real creatives of the marketing world. Also worth mentioning is that we have a business law concentration. If you take any 3 business law courses during your tenure in the College of Business, you can earn yourself a concentration in business law. And now I want to turn it over to one of our students, Megan Rice. She is a senior in our marketing analytics pathway. And Megan, I have 2 questions for you. It's a 2-part question. One is, you transferred as a sophomore from one of our UCs. Can you talk about the differences between your previous institution at LMU and LMU? Also, why did you choose marketing?
So the biggest difference that I found when it came to LMU was my ability to really connect with professors, advisors, administrators. Because my previous school was a large public university, many of my classes were hundreds of students, and I found it really hard to connect with my professors and even more difficult to get help when I had questions. Another extreme difference at LMU versus the UC I was at was my ability to easily connect and get help from advisors and administrators. For example, at my previous school, I couldn't even email an advisor directly. If I had a question about my major or a course requirement, I couldn't email them. So at LMU, anytime I've had a question or needed anything really, my advisor responds quickly and sometimes in a matter of minutes. I even recently had an issue over the summer that only the Dean of Business could answer herself. So I sent her an email and she responded within the hour and helped me resolve everything. And I think it's that ability to connect that is super vital for student success. And to answer your second question, why I chose marketing, for me, it allows creative thinking and problem solving. And I've always been someone who likes to understand the why behind consumer decision making. And so this is why I'm specifically in the marketing analytics pathway that Matt talked about. I've always been a numbers person, and I've loved learning how to drill down into data that supports and reflects consumer decision making. And because I've taken the classes and all the foundational classes, I know I can use that analytical tool and apply it. And let me just say, I'm truly grateful to be part of such an amazing program in school. LMU is truly unique.